When somebody asks me what is your profession, sometimes a little bit problem to say I'm graphic designer. I try to resolve problems of identity, orientation, credibilization, intelligibility, which is also a very important point. All these elements are central element of graphic design, but when we say graphic design, we don't mean really this.
Graphic design is free, it's everywhere. Graphic design just tells its image, tells its message, communicates something without an intrinsic cost. It's free, you can throw it away, you can keep it. And I found that very attractive and very democratic. For the student first, I think it means being interested in everything. Like any creative profession, you don't stop when you finish at 5 o'clock. You are always interested in how that will go into your work. You are always interested in the design systems around you. The thing is that's most important is that you help students realize themselves, that they understand what the creative being is in them, what direction it wants to go in, and how to facilitate that. And that's through various different means. That is an authentic design education.